Greetings, I'm Brian Butler, President and CEO of Vistra Communications, an integrated marketing, communications, and consulting agency headquartered right here in Tampa Bay. We launched our business in 2007 after I retired from the military. Several of our first clients were nonprofit organizations. I serve on several nonprofit boards here in Tampa, across the state of Florida, and a few national boards as well. Far too many times I've heard colleagues in the nonprofit space share their frustrations about having an inexperienced board of directors or one that doesn't represent the communities they serve. I'm a believer in the Nonprofit Leadership Center and its quest to help build sustainable nonprofit organizations. I'm also a firm believer in the Advancing Racial Equity on Nonprofit Boards Fellowship. This program is preparing talented professionals to make positive contributions on nonprofit boards. Our organizations and community are better as a result. We support our Vistra team members that want to get involved in the community and prepare by participating in this program. We also provide financial resources to help get this program launched. Whether your nonprofit organization wants to diversify your board of directors, or your business wants to help develop your talented young professionals and get them involved in our community, please join us and support this great initiative. Thank you.